Are you looking for the best air mattresses? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best air mattresses on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall and most comfortable. The Serta raised air mattress with never flat pump earns our top pick for comfort because it feels like a real bed, not an inflatable one. We've used it for multi-night guest stays and slumber parties, and we're thoroughly impressed by its performance after a year. When it's time to put it away, the bed packs down compactly for storage or transport, fitting neatly into the included storage tote bag. A built-in cord storage box keeps everything organized between uses, making it easy to move between rooms or take on trips. With hotel-level comfort, zero manual top UPS required, and rugged durability, this air mattress is well worth the investment. If you want an option you can trust for multi-night stays, adult guests, or frequent use, the Serta raised air mattress with never flat pump hits all the marks. Inflated dimensions, 74x39x 18 inches inflation method, built-in electric AC dual pump system weight capacity, 350 pounds pump included, yes. Number 2. Most supportive. We love the exceptional support and standout firmness the Sound Asleep Dream Series air mattress offers. During testing, 2 adults plus 2 cats and a dog found it comfortably firm for up to 2 nights of sleep. Even with a noticeable weight difference between partners, there was minimal sag or roll together effect. We find setup and takedown intuitive, thanks to a clearly labeled inflate/deflate knob that eliminates any guesswork. The mattress fully inflates in 4 minutes, though the pump is on the louder side, something to keep in mind if you're inflating it late at night. Do note, though, that since the cord holder is just an open slot, the cord doesn't stay securely in place. For short-term guests, couples who toss and turn, or quick camping getaways, this air mattress delivers a firm, supportive sleep surface that feels far more substantial than most in its class. Inflated dimensions, 80x60x 19 inches inflation method, built-in electric pump weight capacity, 500 pounds, queen size, pump included, yes. Number 3. Best pillow top. The plush pillow top surface adds a level of coziness that most air beds can't match, and the raised height makes it easy to get in and out of. We also like that this versatile air mattress can be customized. You can choose from plush, medium, or firm fill level to set your own firmness, and an internal coil system provides excellent support and stability. We have experienced occasional air leaks after extended use, but the mattress is backed by a 1-year warranty. Still, for its combination of comfort, stability, and reliable all-night firmness, the InstaBed delivers as a pillow top air mattress. Inflated dimensions, 74x39x 18 inches inflation method, built-in primary electric pump plus secondary auto monitoring pump weight capacity, 350 pounds pump included, yes.